Hey everyone, welcome back to my NEET 2026 journey. Today is 10th November and I'm really happy because everything is now back on the track after such a hectic week. If you have been following my previous video, you already know I was struggling with backlogs and health issues. But slowly, step by step, I'm getting back into my rhythm. Today was really good study day for me. I started my morning with physics. Suddenly started a new chapter, motion in a straight line, and it was always exciting when new chapters begin. Today's lecture number was 1. The topic we covered were frames of reference, distance and displacement. At first it took like an easy chapter, but when sir explained the concept of reference frame, I realized how important basics are. It's one of those chapters where understanding the foundation makes the entire mechanics part much easier later. So I took the detailed notes and revised every example once the lecture ended. I also watched a few short videos to strengthen my understanding. Honestly, I'm really enjoying physics now, especially when I actually relate the concept of real life moments. Next was chemistry. Today I completed lecture number 10 of mole concept. The topic covered was law of chemical composition. I used to find this part confusing before, but today's sir explained is so clear that everything was clicked. The numerical part still takes some practice, but I am now not scared of anymore. Now I'm focusing more on understanding the logics behind formulas rather than just memorizing them. After finishing chemistry, I revised formulas and made a small summary page. I think that really helps before test. And for botany, we don't have any lecture today, so I used that time to revise old notes and rewatch some short clips from previous chapters. Sometimes it's good to have a free slot. It keeps your mind relaxed and gives you a feeling of small progress every day. Now everything till 10th November 2025 is done and completed. No pending works, no leftover lectures, and that's such a satisfying feeling. Honestly, I am feeling so good and positive right now. There was a time just a few days ago when I was frustrated about my backlog and my health. But today I am sitting here, full catch up, smiling and thanking God for giving me strength and the patience. This small achievement matters because when you achieve a small goal daily, you get closer to your big dream, one step at a time. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, building the consistency day by day. So yeah, that was my day. Physics lecture 1 of motion in a straight line, chemistry lecture number 10, mole concept, and botany we don't have a class. Everything done, everything is revised, feeling grateful, motivated and ready for tomorrow. Let's keep moving forward together because one day we will look back and realize this small study day made us a doctor. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my journey. See you in the next video.